Welcome back, everybody. On this episode, we are finishing our flooring up, and let's get to it.
To attach the 2x4s to the metal tubing, we're using rivet nuts rather than self-tapping screws. The reason being is that a rivet nut will not rip out of the walls under pressure and force as a self-tapping screw. The only way it's coming out is if it's ripping the metal apart. Measuring every 15 inches, marking out the middle, and drilling pilot holes through the 2x4s and into the metal. Adjusting the pilot hole ever so slightly to allow the rivet nut to fit. We then apply compression to tighten the rivet nuts to the appropriate amount, ensures that it's not coming out. Once all the rivet nuts are installed, we seal the 2x2 tubing with expanding spray foam to lock out any moisture and attach the 2x4s with lumber lock glue and screws into the rivet nuts. Once all the 2x4s are installed, we can begin laying down the plywood for the floors, cut down to the exact length needed. To leave an access for the water tank, we measure the floor from the wall to the tank and cut accordingly. Here we had to make some room for the plywood to allow the floor to be flush, where the metal tubing is slightly raised by 2 inches due to the transmission. Using the skill saw and a chisel, we notched out the exact amount needed. With all the plywood sheets laid down, they're attached with regular screws and lumber lock glue, and the floor is installed.
Thanks for watching, everybody. It has been a lot of work to put in the floors, but nevertheless, on the next episode, we're gonna be installing our door, as you can see it, and some insulation. Thanks for watching, and check you back on the next one.